Hey class, this is Dr. Yankowski. I just wanted to walk you through what you should be doing on the first day in terms of registering for Connect. Sometimes some students have some questions, so instead of individually replying to emails and going back and forth, I thought, why don't I put together a video and see if you can watch this and walk you through perhaps some of the questions that you may have. So I'm here in our homepage in Moodle. And if this isn't your class, that's okay. I'm just using the child psychology class that I'm teaching as a template. But all of the registration processes for the classes are the same. So if you go down to where I have registering for Connect, you should do this on the first day. Well, you should read through everything that I have highlighted here in blue because you're a really good student and you're going to follow the directions that I've established. But the important thing to do right away is to register for Connect because that's going to give you access to the ebook or what the publisher calls SmartBook. And it also gives you access to the quizzes, the exams that we have, and the optional Learn Smart modules, which I'll talk about when I get into Connect. So you click on the link registering for Connect, and a new page pops up, and I'll move that down. And you can see here it should be linked to the course that you're registered for. So just double check. And so this matches up with the course that I'm registered for. And since this is going to be the first time you're going to be registering for Connect, you want to sign in with an email address. So I'm just going to make one up. Don't hold me to any of these fictitious names and passwords that I'm using. So I'm going to begin. And you can see here it brings me to a new screen where I'm going to be using an email address to log in. And it's going to ask me to confirm. And then a password. And since the Yankees and Red Sox are playing this weekend, I'll say Yankees number, if I could find the number 1, Yankees number 1. And then I'm just going to do summer class as my name, select a question. What is my town of birth? And I don't want to put in my mobile number, so click continue. And oh, I have an error already. Please review the errors highlighted. I need to accept the term. So do that. Make sure you accept the terms. Click continue. I don't want my computer. Well, you may want your computer to save this. It probably is easier for you guys. If the computer allows you to save your password, do that because too many students forget their passwords. So I'm not going to do that though because this is a fake account. And then obviously the site has recognized me. So you're going to come to this screen where you're either going to purchase Connect today for $80. So I highlighted this in the syllabus. You have a few options. You could purchase it right here and now through the publisher like I just did, and you're going to pay with your credit card. If you don't have the funds right now, you could gain temporary access for 2 weeks free. You just click the start now. So it's up to you. These are the two options here and now that you can move forward with. You could purchase it straight away. Eventually, you are going to have to purchase this if you choose the free access. But if you don't have the funds, you could skip the purchasing this today for $80 and just go straight for the temporary access. So that means that there should be no one who registered for the class today and is enrolled on the first day that can't get into Connect because you could always get the free 2 weeks. That's what I'm going to do because there's no need for me to purchase this. Start now. And then it's going to just ask to confirm this. This is the textbook that we're using. So now here's my reminder. I did purchase the free 2-week trial, so this is going to expire on July 13th, 2 weeks from today. Go to Connect. Now let me show you what this looks like in Connect. You could see here are your assignment lists. And let me just point out to you, in Connect, the difference between where it says Topic 1 quiz and then these chapter modules. Some students get confused by these two. Where you see a Topic 1 quiz with an A+ icon, this is the required quiz for each topic, and it's due by this due date. So you can see here. These chapter modules help prepare you for the quiz, and that's denoted with the LS. That stands for Learn Smart. So these are open all the way until the end of the semester. I give you the option of opening them because you could help prepare for the final exam. So I keep all of these chapter modules open and available until the end of the term for you guys. But the Topic 1 quiz, you can see here, the Topic 2 quiz, the Topic 3 quiz, so on and so forth. These are the required quizzes, and then the final exam. Topic 4 quiz, and then the final exam. The ones that have the chapter LS next to them, those are optional. You don't have to do them, although I recommend that you do. The only required quizzes and exams in Connect are the ones with the quiz, the alarm clock icon, and it has the A+. Hopefully everybody gets an A, and we don't have any issues. So I think that's it. That's an overview of how to actually register for Connect, how to get into Connect. And if you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, have a great term, and I look forward to getting to know all of you. Take care.